I will sing. Make sure you enjoy the nature. Driving through the mountain Scenic can boost the tourism. And did you know that driving through these scenic, very beautiful mountains of Eswatini can help you reduce stress and calm you down so that you can develop yourself? Let's go. We're in Swaziland right now. Let's go. Yeah. Good morning, guys. We are in Eswatini, a mountainous country. I am staying here. Look at that building. My name is Bonnie. Today I'm gonna be traveling back to South Africa, from South Africa to Botswana, from Botswana to Namibia, driving in Swaziland from Manzini to Matsapa to Mbabane, here in Eswatini, a kingdom country of absolutely monarchy. Beautiful. I love this country. We might change it to somewhere there, but let's go. So I will take this way. Look how beautiful this bridge here in Africa, in Eswatini. Road. Here in Eswatini, enjoy the nature and appreciate the landscape. Look at the landscape. Beautiful landscape. Roads here. The huge investment of Eswatini into the roads leads to the remote areas like villages is so important. So let's go, guys. We're in Matsapa now. Traveling in your own car provides privacy and comfort much better than traveling with the public transport, for that matter. This video started in Manzini, and now we are passing Matsapa. We have Manzini, Matsapa. Now we are on our way to Mbabane. That's commercial city. Let's go. He overtakes me. Volvo versus BMW. That BMW is very fast. It's too dangerous to try to compete with it. The BMW drivers are tempted to drive it very, very fast. So here's a guy making a way for BMW to pass as fast as it can. So let's go. Beautiful road here. Well, it's giving me a way, so I'm gonna pass here. I am faster than a BMW. This is a Honda Civic. Let's go, Baba. When you're traveling with your family in the car, it's always nice. But I don't have a family. So the cultural exchange in the country is very important in Eswatini. But there's nothing to exchange at the moment by avocado, which means that the network we were talking about, it connects me to avocado here, avocado sellers. But looking at the mountains as well, this is a sense of adventure. Look at the mountains behind me. I needed another one that I'll take a small one here. So I can choose anyone to be 10. Hello, give me 5. Yeah, here we go. Right in the middle of the road here. We can get avocado. So I'll take this one here. All right, do you have a knife?
Yeah, we don't have the knife.
Okay, 10 each avocado. Right in the middle of the road here. Okay, let's buy some avocado. It's okay. If you're using it, it's okay. So we have to wash the spoon first before you use it. Because here on the street, they were using it. Somebody was using the spoon.
Yes.
Guys, I'm on the street. As you can see, the track is here. And my car is just over there. And here, I'm eating the avocado. That's what is important about this country. Nice, it's good for the road. So goodbye guys, let's get back on the road. Driving in Eswatini. Where is he coming from? Beautiful city of Eswatini, the kingdom. Mountain Kingdom. This city has the secrets of scenery. Beautiful. Wow, look at that. Look how beautiful this place is. Wow. The car helps you to reach in the remote areas, villages, and far places, even other countries like I'm doing right now. I'm in Eswatini. My name is Bonnie. Driving in Eswatini gives you the driving skills and proficiency at driving, and you drive with the confidence here. That's so important. And you can see the roads are free, traffic free. It makes it more easier and safe to drive here, and gives you the access to the hospitals and schools, because you can take your children to schools as well. Swaziland is surrounded by many countries, so the trade routes are more convenient to trade between countries and among countries. So let's go guys. Going to Babani, 20 minutes to Babani. Let's go. Oh, sorry. Have to just push yourself. Push yourself. Yeah, push yourself. All right. I think look at the scenery. This is tourism. Eswatini can make money out of these scenery. Beautiful, majestic. Let's go.
We're in Matsapa now.
You know, when you have your own car like that, you can plan your own trip. You can stop and shop wherever you want than a public transportation. We're in Swaziland right now. Let's go. Yeah.